Hey Bella, what's today? What's today?
Christmas!
Yay, who came?
Santa!
Santa, what did he bring?
What did he bring you so far?
Did he bring presents? And Austin's already eating some of them. Kona's got a present outside.
What did Santa bring in your stocking, Bella? You can look at us. What else is in your stocking?
Yeah.
Open up the rest.
Open up your stocking, Bubba.
What's that?
What is it?
Horsey.
A horsey?
Where's he stand?
Aww.
And look, Mom, you have it.
New hair clips. Yay, you needed those.
What's this red? And then what is those, Mommy?
Color, let me see. They're red.
What is he?
They're, pink? You know what color that is.
What is it?
What's that one?
Yellow.
Yellow.
And what is
What is that? You know that.
it? Green.
That's right.
I'll put it on, Mommy.
Okay.
Austin's first Christmas.
There. Austin, what's in here? This is your stocking, Austin. Yay! Yay! What is that? What is this? What is that?
Well, I think we could have just gotten him an empty one and he would have been happy with it. Bella, what else is in your...
You want to help your brother? You can help him. What is it?
What, Mom?
Cars? Cars for Austin? Show Austin.
What, Austin?
You want to open them up for him and give him one? Here.
I can't open it. What? I'm going one to Austin. I'm going to give one to Dada.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Look, Austin.
Hot Wheels, Austin. Your first Hot Wheels. Here.
let's get a bag. Oh, hey. Be careful, don't ride it up his head. Let him play with it. Those are his. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. That's a motorcycle. Look at that motorcycle.
A motorcycle.
And it goes right into his mouth. No, don't drive it up his head.
Woo!